Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful brand new Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. In fact, we're touring it today before it's even been open. Now this particular category that I'm in is a Preferred Club Master Suite Ocean Front. It also comes in an ocean view variety. The interior layout is exactly the same, and we'll point out on the balconies where the differences will be. This is a perfect family category. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in here to the right, you have a second bathroom. So you've got your full vanity here, and of course, traveling with the family, having a second bathroom is always a wonderful, wonderful thing. You've got your temperature controls right here, separate for this room compared to the bedroom. You've got your Nespresso maker, the Nespresso pods. It's replenished throughout the stay as often as you like, just like the mini bar will be down below here. You'll have that stocked with beer, water, sodas, and then they've got the cups over to the right. Now continuing on into the space, you can see what makes it a master suite. It really opens up in here, and you've got this full dining room table. Now what I love about that is it is the perfect place to have breakfast in the morning, and you know, with the family, taking advantage of the room service is really nice. You've got the beautiful decor behind me, and of course, as themed throughout the entire resort, you have nature on the walls. Make sure you check out our full resort tour where we tour all of the spaces here, all the restaurants and things you can take advantage of. And one that I wanted to point out is the Preferred Club Lounge. Because this particular category is Preferred Club, it means you're gonna bypass the regular check-in and you're gonna head directly to the lounge, where they're gonna check you in a much more personalized fashion. And then in addition to that, you can utilize it throughout the entire stay. They have a nice upgraded bar there, and they also have breakfast and lunch, smaller items that you can grab and go. Now we're into the main part of the space. You see the large sofa here. You got a huge chaise lounge. You also have a couch there. They can bring in rollaways for you if you would like. You've got this really cool coffee table and your large flat panel smart TV. Now this is the first of two. Once again, great when you are traveling with the family. They've got two stools underneath here, so this technically could be set up for writing desks, and then you also have some USB chargers if you need to charge. Now we're gonna head into the master bedroom. As we head into the master bedroom, you can see it is a large king-size bed. Every room in these categories is a full king-size bed. I'm gonna continue to the side of the bed just to point out that you have two US plugs here. I like that. I always bring my USB splitter so that I can charge multiple things throughout the night. You've got your reading light, your lamp. You're also gonna have the remote and telephone right next to you. As we continue along, you've got a nice reading chair right here with an ottoman. This bag is actually a great little beach bag, and you can take it with you because it is a Preferred Club amenity. Continuing on, you've got your second set of temperature controls. You also have your USB plugs there. And then I wanted to point out that this does shut off completely. And when you're traveling with family or a friend, that's something that is really, really critical. You've got your second large flat panel TV. Once again, the redundancies between the two spaces and a little storage underneath. Now we're headed into the master bathroom. This does shut. Wanted to point that out so that you can have that extra level of privacy. As soon as you get in, you see your storage. First one over here on the side, you've got your safe, your steamer underneath, and storage above, as well as hanging storage right here. On the other side, you've got more storage. You've got your robes and your slippers. You may want to wear those down to the spa. I really recommend that you check out our resort tour and see the spa. It's unlike anything I've ever seen. It's a massive grotto, cenote, and it has an amazing hydrotherapy experience as well. Now continuing on in, you have the toilet to my right, and then you have a large walk-in shower. This does have a full rainforest shower head as well as the shower wand, a nice bench here, and then also a clothes hanger so that you can dry off your swimsuit. You've got more amenities inside here, but I wanted to point out that you have a fully upgraded amenity kit, once again as part of the Preferred Club program. You have an extra large double vanity. I always appreciate that. I think my wife does even more than I do. Your magnifying mirror right there, storage underneath, a scale, and a hairdryer. You're also gonna find your signature Dreams incense. They always have those, and it kind of like brings back a memory of when you use that. Behind me, you see this beautiful tile work, and throughout this entire space, you can see that they've taken care to craft it well. They even have these great night lights in here so that you can have that without having to turn in the lights. Now, finally, you have this beautiful soaking tub. It's huge. And I know traveling with a family, this is such an advantage. I know with my daughter's 4 years old now, but even when she was younger, and now it's so nice to be able to throw her into the tub, cousins, all of that. And you've got your wand right here, and you also have the faucet to fill it up. they can give you some upgraded bath amenities upon request. So now we're out on the balcony. You can shut just the screen if you want to here on that side, and then also on the other side you get a nice breeze that goes all the way through. But this is what it is all about. You have these two large loungers right here, a really large jacuzzi tub. Once again, I know my daughter would absolutely love this. And then continuing on to the other side, you've got 2 chairs, a table, and a nice day bed. A couple things that I wanted to mention that's unique about this particular room. They have an interior connection that can be done upon request for one of the oceanfront junior suites with 2 queen-size beds. And if you do that, there's an interior connector that allows you to utilize both of those spaces and put it together in a larger family configuration. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.